Hi guys, and welcome back here to Ocarina and Diamonds. My name is Dana and thank you for joining. I am super excited here to show you that I have a new package. It is this right here. This is Mermaid Fairy by Roy Trinh, and it is 23.6 by 34.5 centimeters inches. I correct myself, they're inches, and it's 60 centimeters by 89.9 centimeters. Now, this I am super excited for. This is a Legend of Zelda inspired piece. And I am a super huge fan of Legend of Zelda. It is my favorite video game ever. So when I saw this was being released on Saturday, I absolutely jumped on it because I had to have it. I have been looking for so long for a really nice quality kit for Legend of Zelda and not really having any luck. So this, I was super excited that I was able to snag one. I've already opened the box and pulled it out. I figured it'd be easier to have it kind of pre-done like that. So I'll put the rest here on screen. So here's the other half that was inside. Let's open it up and get the goods. So firstly, if you're not familiar with Diamond Art Club, all their kits come with this little toolkit bag. It has quite a few goodies in it here for you. Firstly, it's got a little drill case. It has a stopper on it and a lid, which is really nice. These are pretty cool and are worth keeping. We got some heart-shaped wax, a multi-placer, a replacement wax if you like what's going to be in the pen, and also next in the bag is the pen. These are pretty cool. These are pre-filled pens. All you have to do is like twist it and the wax comes out the other end. I've used these myself. I do think they're pretty good. Now I have been told you can place this inside here, but I've never had good luck with refilling these, so I usually throw them out when I'm done. But by all means, if it works better for you, go for it. They're really nice pens. And lastly, in the toolkit, we got baggies, just in case you want to put your extra drills in here, or if you're starting like me and starting to make a little backup kit here full of extra drills in case you need them for something else. But that is what the toolkit comes with. A lot of nice little who's its and what's its for your painting experience. But aside from that, let's jump into the main event, which is the diamond painting itself. Oh boy. Oh, wait. I lied. There's something else here I forgot to mention. This is the Treasure Quest card. And the Treasure Quest cards are pretty fun. I collect them, and I know a lot of people else do here. They always feature the original artwork, and doesn't that look absolutely beautiful? It has the name of the piece, who it's by, the size of it, and let's see what the back says. It is a bronze, unfortunately. The Treasure Quest cards are pretty fun. They have different ones. Bronze is the most common. Then I believe there is silver, gold, and the hardest to find, black. Each one has a code back here on the back that you can scratch out here. And when you get a certain amount of each of the cards, you can use them to get a prize, like discounts or even a custom diamond art piece. I have been diamond painting for almost a year now, and unfortunately, I have yet to find anything other than bronze so far, but I'm still hoping that I can finally say I got something other than bronze. But this is the card. It also comes with this. It's a little booklet that has all of the colors in it, along with a sticker of the picture itself. If you're like me, I have a whip stand here. This is my current piece that I'm working on. It's another Diamond Art Club one. I like to have that there. And then when I'm done with that, I put it in my logbook because I love keeping track of everything I do. But as you can see here, guys, we have 89 colors. And out of those 89 colors, we seem to have 1, 2, 3 ABs drills, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe those are fairy dust drills. I know the ABs are correct. I am not sure on the other ones. I could be wrong. If I am, by all means, correct me in the comments. I'm still learning some of this stuff too. But 89 colors is quite a lot. But it's going to be so much fun. I have heard that this piece may be a little confetti heavy. So if there's anybody who's not a fan of confetti, this piece might not be for you. But me, I haven't really decided one way or the other if the confetti or the color blocking is for me or not. Anyway, one more thing about this here. This is what everything came in. It gives you a quick tutorial here on how to do diamond painting. It has this over here so that you can join their Facebook group, and they have a QR codes over on this side so that if you have never purchased anything off the app, the store yet, you can save 20% off, not just by going on their site, but by purchasing something off of their app. So that's something to keep in mind as well. All right, so finally, we can jump in to the picture itself. And boy, am I excited. Oh my goodness. I have been dying. I'm probably gonna kit this one up immediately after I finish Isabel, which is my current one. So here are the drills, and boy, these are hefty. This is hefty. This is going to be a big boy project. But just in case, when you like to set your stuff up, when you get them, the bag does have the title of the piece on it, so you want to double check that just in case they might have accidentally set the wrong color set to you. But if you like to keep your drills and your pieces separate before you start them, that's always something good to have. So there are the drills. Let's open up the picture. I will do the best I can. This is a behemoth of a piece, so I will not be able to fill everything, but here she is. Mermaid Fairy, aka Princess Zelda herself. And my God, this is so exciting. Oh my God, she's so pretty. And yes, I am kind of freaking out nerd-wise right now because I love it so much. Down here you can see the Triforce. She's got a crown on up here with some earrings. Oh my goodness. I am just so freaking excited for this. I am going to be kitting this one up ASAP. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try and go into overtime to have Isabel completed so I can start this. Oh my Lord, look how beautiful it is. But yeah, I can definitely see where we're going to be having some confetti issues. Like over here, we clearly have a little bit of color blocking, but in the dress, there are definitely different sections of different colors, especially right in here. There's a bunch in there. So yeah, there's going to be some sections in here that's confetti, and it looks like it's mostly going to be confetti. And I may have briefly mentioned it earlier, but that confetti is basically a bunch of different colors in one area, and color blocking is basically a large area of one color. I don't hate confetti, but it can be annoying at times, and it's the same thing for color blocking. So I don't have a specific like or hatred of either of them. But oh my Lord, look how beautiful she is. Oh, I am so excited to get started on this. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for today. I appreciate you joining me, and I hope to have you check out some of my other videos. If you're new, I do have 2 videos on beginner stuff, so if you're interested, you can check those out. Otherwise, Please come join me again. I will probably be uploading a completed painting that I have recently finished, and maybe I will do another short for my music side of the channel. But my name is Dana once again. I really appreciate you joining me today, and I hope you liked the video. Bye.